start with the reasons for studying C.R.E. Page 1, that's where you are. Are you there? You don't read the explanation, you just read the reasons. Because I've told you to read the KLB, you're writing answers that are not in the KLB. And the KLB and the Bible are the only ones which are used. I don't know who lied to you. Every examiner says that you should use the KLB and the Bible. Can we read together?
To appreciate your own religion and that of others, to help you acquire principles of Christian way of living, to help us develop a sense of self-worth and identity for ourselves and others, to promote international consciousness, to help us live new lives in Christ, to help us further our studies and develop our careers, to identify answers to some questions, to contribute to the achievement of the national goals of education.
So read how the national goals deal with the improvement of life.
National unity, national development, individual development and self-fulfillment, social equality, respect and development of cultural heritage, international consciousness.
Can we go to the Bible? And in the Bible, we start with the literary forms in the Bible. We are in page 5.
Prophetic speeches, prayers, love songs, philosophical essays, religious epics, epistles, gospel.
Why are you not reading the examples? Really? And you don't know how, because every time you're told to write the literary forms, you're supposed to write the examples. Can you reread them?
Legislative texts, Leviticus, wise sayings, Proverbs, prophetic speeches, Jeremiah, prayers, Nehemiah, love songs, Songs of Solomon, philosophical essays, Job, religious epics, Exodus, epistles, Romans, gospel, Luke.
We go to the historical books.
Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther.
And then we go back to the law books, the same page.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy.
Prophetic books, we start with the major prophets.
Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel.
And then we go to the minor prophetic books. There are 12 in number.
Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi.
Books of poetry, there are only 5.
Psalms, Job, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Songs of Solomon.
The Gospels, there are 4.
Matthew, Mark, Luke, John.
And then we go to the letters of Paul, or they are called Pauline letters. There are 13.
Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, Philemon.
The general letters.
1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, Jude, Hebrews.
Then we move to page 12, whereby we are going to read the versions of the Bible used in Kenya today.
Revised Standard Version, the African Bible, Common Bible, King James Version, New King James Version, Jerusalem Bible, New International Version, English Bible, the Revised Version, the Living Bible, the Gideon's International Version.
Very good. We go to creation.